The day-long lockdown in Chandigarh and Mohali has begun. Chandigarh UT administration had taken a decision yesterday that on the occasion of Ram Navami, when it was, they were suspecting that many number of people will congregate at various temples, and that's why the lockdown has been ordered yesterday. The decision was taken. The Punjab government had taken the decision earlier as far as Mohali is concerned. We are in one of the sector markets here in Chandigarh, and as you can see, many of the shops are closed. It's only the provision stores, the essential shops selling essential commodities that have been kept open, that are allowed to be open, like these provision stores, and also medical shops that continue to remain closed for the day today. In fact, if you remember, last weekend the lockdown had been ordered, and the UT administration has also decided to continue with the lockdown for this weekend as well. Now, today being Ram Navami, the administration were fearing that large number of people will assemble here. If I can show you on to my right, these are some of the temples here in one of the sectors in Chandigarh. It's completely shut. There were, the administration was fearing that large number of people will congregate at these temples, and this could result in spike in number of cases. If you remember, over 600 cases of COVID were reported yesterday, 602 to be precise, in Chandigarh and also Punjab. The cases have touched almost 5,000 in Mohali alone. Almost 700 to 800 cases are being reported every day. As far as the streets are concerned, the lockdown is not being enforced stringently. As you can see, some of the vehicles they continue to ply. Two-wheelers and four-wheelers continue to ply on the road. But essentially, people are not moving out. Those who have come out to buy their essential commodities, that is why they have come out. But essentially, people are staying indoor. The police also, unlike last time when there was stringent enforcement of the lockdown measures, but this time, being a little relaxed as far as implementation of lockdown is concerned. But the shops are primarily shut. The temples are closed. 23rd, remember, that is the day when the UT administration will decide on whether the lockdown will continue for a longer period of time. In the meantime, they've decided that on the weekends, the prohibitory orders will remain in force. The lockdown will continue to remain in force during the weekend. Last weekend we had a lockdown, and this weekend as well in Chandigarh it's going to be shut. However, restaurants can deliver home deliver food. Takeaways are not allowed, but home delivery food, that is allowed. Also, these provision shops, as I showed you earlier, these are also kept open for the weekends as well. These shops will remain open. Now, for Punjab, for Mohali especially, from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. The curfew period, night period, has been extended, even for Chandigarh. But Panchkula, the administration earlier had decided that in consultation, the Punjab government, the UT administration and the Haryana government in consultation could enforce lockdown in the Tri-City. Tri-City meaning Mohali, Chandigarh and Panchkula. Though there is lockdown in Mohali and Chandigarh, Haryana government has decided otherwise. They have decided not to enforce lockdown in Panchkula for today, being Ram Navami. But the administration here, at least in Chandigarh and Punjab, they suspect that the large number of people coming out and coming to these temples would result in some kind of a spike, and that is why they have decided to enforce this lockdown. But as far as Haryana is concerned, Panchkula is concerned, it remains to be open. There's no lockdown, though night curfew remains to be in place. So there you have a one-day lockdown here in Chandigarh, and also weekend curfew, weekend lockdown will continue to remain in force. You can get further details on this lockdown from our website, tribuneindia.com, and also follow us on our other social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook and Instagram for updates. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.